Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to add a time tracking column to a board and use it to record work accurately whether you're timing tasks live or reviewing what was done later. Start on your Monday.com home. This is the hub where you'll find your recent boards and projects. From here, open the board where you want to track time. I'll use a sample project, but any board with items, your tasks, tickets, or deliverables will work the same way. Make sure you have permission to edit the board so you can add columns. On the board, look toward the top of your columns for the plus button that adds a new column. Click that plus sign to open the column center. This is where you can choose different column types to customize how your board works. In the search bar of the column center, type time tracking. This narrows the list so you don't have to scroll. You'll see the time tracking option appear, designed specifically for recording durations with start and stop times. Selecting it adds the time tracking column to your board instantly. Now click time tracking to insert it. You'll see the new column appear to the right. You can drag it to reposition if you prefer it closer to your item names or keep it where it is. Adding this column won't change or remove any of your existing data. It simply gives you a dedicated space to record time on each item. To use it, pick an item you're working on and click inside its time tracking cell. That starts the timer, and you'll notice a small indicator showing it's running. Work as you normally would, switch tabs, navigate around the board. The timer keeps going in the background. When you're done, click the same cell again to stop. That creates a logged session with the exact start and stop time and the total duration for that work period. If you clicked by mistake or forgot to stop the timer, open the log in that cell to adjust or remove the entry so your totals stay accurate. You can add multiple sessions on the same item throughout the day, and the column will automatically sum them up for you. A quick tip: name your items clearly so your time reports are meaningful later. That's it. You've added and started using time tracking in Monday.com. With this setup, it's easy to capture billable hours, estimate effort, theme, and keep your team aligned on where time is going.